Hey y'all, this will be a week's worth of me looking for birthday gifts and getting the cupcakes together, going to purchase the birthday cake with his mom, and so on and so forth. So y'all just sit back, relax, and join me for this nice week's worth of birthday hunting. My first stop will be the Walmart on Texas side. So I'm gonna go in here and see what I can find. Hopefully I can find all of his gifts in here. But y'all, let's go on up in here and check it out and see what we can get.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry.
So now we're on our way over to the Arkansas side Walmart because they didn't have his karaoke microphone, but Arkansas did. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this thing and get up out of here because we have to go and look for the binoculars.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench the.
So I came to Target to find the binoculars, and thank goodness they had some. So I'm happy with that. That's his fourth gift from us. So we're gonna pay for this and head up out of here as well. So let's go.
Give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight.
So now we are at Sam's. We're gonna go ahead and pick out his sheet cake for the birthday party. And you know what, you guys, their cakes are very reasonable. So if you want to get a reasonable price cake, go check out Sam's.
Tomorrow, I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more.
And he requested them cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes from his Nene. So I'm gonna go on ahead and get these made up. I'm just gonna show y'all how I just whipped it on together real quick, so I can go ahead and sit these to the side because y'all, it's almost time to go and party.
It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
All right, we at the party now, y'all. We are at the bowling alley, and all of them are about to get their shoes All of the children came except for 2, and that's okay, maybe next year. But I'm gonna go on up here and order me a pizza because I cannot wait for them to bring the party pizza, baby, because I am hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and order me one. And look at him. Oh, Chopper style. Oh yeah, he ready. He ready. Y'all, they had a ball. The party was so fun, and it wasn't just one party. It was like 6 parties, y'all. 6 parties in the bowling alley. They wouldn't turn down no money on this day. So we're just gonna go ahead and head up in here so I can get me a piece of this pizza. Y'all go ahead, sit back and continue to enjoy the video. Comment down below if you've ever had a bowling party. So fun. So all I want to say is, why is this bear hanging? How is this a game? Okay, we're going to let that go. We're finna move on to the next one. So it's time for the fellas to bowl. Y'all, the top one is my husband, FAFO. Y'all comment down below if you know what that mean. Okay, let me know. Okay, because he ain't playing. So now they going ahead and warming on up, y'all. Okay, he getting his stretch on. Go on, brother. Stretch it out. So y'all, after they got through bowling, we went on in there and sang happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, y'all, we almost at the end. We wrapping it on up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go on ahead and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And y'all stay tuned because there will be more videos like these. Cooking, shopping, all that good stuff. So I'll see y'all for the next video. Y'all stay safe. Bye.